YouTube? We back, you feel me? Um, right now I'm just getting my essentials ready, feel me? Get this crown isolation and breaking your natural swirl for beehivers. Just give me a little second while I get this stuff ready. Just a little quick little video of me doing a crown session. First thing first, you need to comb it. Make sure you get all around the crown. You can see a little hair sticking up. I think I'm like 3 weeks wolfing right now. Nothing too crazy yet. Keep combing. Pretty much to lift the hair off my scalp. And that also breaks the natural swirl over time. Just gets deep into the scalp. Just a little quick comb session. Trying to make it as tight as possible. Trying to get deep in the crown. Alright, so now we about to switch to the crown brush. This is a medium crown brush. And this is where we really get the work in. Do the AG tap method. So you can tap and tap. Keep working around the crown. Don't be afraid of blemishes, just keep on working it. See how I stepped back and took a look? There you go. Don't be afraid to switch hands. And for all you newcomers, this is not a ball spot. This is an actual crown. Just keep working it. It's a little difficult, just keep working it. Just keep tapping that crown. Eventually it's gonna come together. My crown is not fully, there, but you see the point. I am getting better, so y'all bear with me. Give me a couple months, and I'm gonna be a monster with the crown. Just keep doing the AG tap method. Now just working my plastic bag. This is to lay down all the loose hairs. Feel me? Lay it all the way down. Don't be afraid to get in there. It's not gonna mess up your crown. It just smooths right over it. Keep working, keep working. Y'all don't give up. Keep on going. Feel me? Why not, lay down the rest of my hair? Yes, sir. Don't be afraid to switch hands and continue working. All right, there you have it. That's the crown isolation and how to break a natural swirl. Peace.